Hey, it's Jess. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a day in the life. This is going to be a fun one because my day today is going to be a little unusual, even for me. I'm self-employed, so all my days look a little different. I am a real estate agent and I work with my mom in Austin, Texas. If you need apartments, let me know. But we help locate apartments for people, and I also have a freelance business where I work with different clients on social media for their stuff, editing. I also make YouTube vlogs for them. But today I got invited literally to two things. I'm going back to my dorm. It's an off-campus dorm, Scottish Rite Dormitory, and today they're having their holiday annual tea and tree, which is so cute and sweet. So I'm so excited to be there. And then I got asked to go back to one of the orgs I was in college, Communication Council. They're doing some kind of career alumni relations panel tonight, except it kind of sounds like it's like Family Feud style, which is going to be really interesting. So now what I need to do is get ready. I need to pack my bag. I'm working on a week in my life vlog for one of my clients. I have some more work online to do. I'm just gonna grab like my laptop, and I don't know if I need an outfit change or not. It's so dramatic. I don't know if I'm gonna wear the same outfit all day or not, so I might throw something else in my car. Don't know if I should bring makeup for a refresh, but I am so excited for this day. I'm so grateful to be invited back. It's gonna be a blast. When I started to get ready, I realized that my hair was not looking fresh. So, and I'm out of dry shampoo too, like so close to being out. So then I just realized, take like the world's fastest shower. Now I've been talking on I did my makeup talking on the phone with my mom, and now I'm gonna blow dry my hair so it's gonna be fresh. I picked out my outfit. I'm basically ready to go. I'm putting my shoes on right now. My day feels so flipped. But so this is where I lived when I was in college, and I worked there for 3 years, but I also still work there on an as needed basis, which is why they invited me today to this event, and because I'm like friends with them. But I'm really grateful to get to go back, and I know that I'm gonna eat when I get there. So even though I'm hungry right now, yogurt is not holding me over, obviously, but I know a granola bar is not gonna cut it, but I also just don't want to stop and do anything else. So we shall see, we shall see. I will try and speed eat this granola bar. I also am going to pack my bag. So we're gonna put our bag together, we're gonna rock and roll, we're gonna drive. It's gonna be so good. Oh, let me show you I'll show you my outfit of the day when I finish like with my my lips and my jewelry, and yeah. Before I pack my bag, I'm gonna make sure my files are all on my computer. I can't decide if I should bring, oh yeah, I left it open, so we're good. I'm working on this vlog today, and she gave me an hour and 3 minutes of footage, and I've gotten it down to just below 58 minutes of footage. I did not work on it for very long. I feel like this one might end up very easily being like a 40-minute vlog. But no, I love doing lifestyle vlogs. I don't like carrying a heavy bag, and part of me thinks I should take my backpack, but I'm not in a backpack mood. You can't even see the pile situation. I gotta put all this, that's a horrible angle, I'm sorry. I'm gonna put all of that into my bag. I forgot we were doing an outfit of the day, so I'm tripping over my slippers. Okay, this is my, let's see, this is my sweater from H&M. It's kind of a crop, which is nice, but it hits just right, not too cropped. And then these pants are high-waisted, which I like, and then they're like wider leg. I have on my Adidas, I think they're Stan Smiths, I don't know. I got them at Ross, and I was excited because they're a little unusual. This bag is marked Tetro. So I think this is the fit for the day. I'm gonna put on some sunglasses. I'm gonna put on some Kosas on my lips, and get water, but I think we're about to head out. So the girl who takes way too long to get ready is finally ready. I think the next time I talk to you, I will probably be at my first destination, but I'm gonna grab my bag and head out the door. Here we go. Just got to my first stop. I am at the dorm for tea and tree. I normally take kind of a slow way because I just don't enjoy highways and fast driving, but it is not rush hour, so I got here so quick. It was a really good drive. Now I'm gonna go in and say hi to my friends. I am gonna embroider a little something, so I got my little hoop and my fabric. I got a little thread, and now we're gonna open this and grab a needle, and then I will get started on this. I am embroidering right now. I'm gonna do a wreath, I think. I haven't done anything sewing in a long time, so anything to needle and thread. So we're gonna see. I feel kind of like embroidery challenge, but everyone else is doing it. You're still doing it. Yeah, like show yours.
I will show them mine. Hold on. I did a little snowflake, and so now I'm just sewing it up in the back so it looks less bad. That's what I'm doing.
Oh, are you gonna make that an ornament?
I think I'm just gonna like put it up in my room.
It's so pretty. I love it. Here, let me get it to focus. Wait, that's so good. Allison's looks so cute.
It's my first time.
I love it. She's so talented. Oh wait, I can't get it to focus on you. Oh, there you are. My wreath is trying to be a wreath. I need to do more stitching and get more string, but I think I'm gonna pause and get some lunch. This is where we're at right now. I don't think I've vlogged a clip in a minute, but it is afternoon now. I ate some lunch. I think I forgot to film that, but I had a blast earlier today, and I am currently editing a vlog for one of my clients now. So I feel like I need to get at least 2 hours of edits done, see how much work that actually gets done. I like to work with timers and do it like in sessions, so I'm gonna see probably 30-minute sections at a time. It's a little after 5 now. I have been editing and editing for a couple hours. I moved locations. I'm now in one of the rooms. So it was good to get to catch up with people though. Today has been such a blast. I've got, okay, it's 5:17. I am gonna go downstairs and grab a plate of dinner. And then I need to I'm gonna look over the questions for this evening, and they suggested writing down like a word or two that comes to mind with each question. I think I saw like 17 questions. I was gonna look at like the first 10, if I could do that many, and I was just gonna, whatever comes to mind, write that down. I am apprehensive about tonight, not because the event itself, but because I've had a very social day, and I am a weird combination of introverted and extroverted, so my social battery is a little drained. But I've got a couple hours. I'm close to where my next event is going to be, so I actually get to park there for free, which I wasn't expecting. I thought I was going to have to walk, and it's a little chilly, so I get to drive, won't have to really walk much in the cold at all, which is great, and I'll do the event there. I have no idea what's going to happen, but we'll see. I'm so sad. I forgot to film my food before I ate it, and I don't have enough time to finish it. But tonight I had cheesy orzo, which was good. I had more. It looks like I didn't eat. And then there's chicken, which I ate most of it. And then I hate the desserts because I'm like wired, and so I can't finish my food. But I am gonna go drop off my plate and then head out to my meeting. I'm back home. I don't think I've vlogged any of that. I just had no idea what to expect. There was 4 of us on the panel, and we were all alum or connected to the people in council, and what ended up happening was they like had these bios about us written. Didn't ask us for them, they just had them. They like cheered for us as we walked in. It was this whole thing, but they had like little cards at our seat set up, and they wrote like the nicest, I don't know, whoever wrote this, such a thoughtful, like, sweet thank you note. And then they gave us like fancy chocolates. It was really fun, but they had 3 questions that were like Family Feud style, and so we kind of tried to come up with the top answers. It was better than I thought, because I thought the whole thing was going to be Family Feud, and I was like, how's this going to work? And then they had some speed round questions, which were like literally, I think, the ones we answered the slowest. And then they also had just free response ones, and everyone there, like the students who were in the audience, asked such thoughtful questions. At the end, people came up and talked, and it was really cute. I felt like I was at a meet and greet. I was like, that's so fun. I met a girl though who, I guess when she was a senior in high school and I was a senior in college, I gave her a tour of Moody College of Communication, and she didn't know if she was going to UT or not, but I gave her a tour. And so she came up to me and she said, hey, I realized we were talking, you gave me my tour when I was considering going to UT, and she said, I'm now like a tour guide, a Dean's Ambassador, and that's like where I gave her a tour through that organization. And I was like, you're kidding, that's so crazy. Super full circle. Every now and then I have people come and tell me stories like that, and it's just like, I don't know, it makes your heart feel so full. Like, it's really cool to get to be a part of someone's journey like that. I think that's an understatement. It is like truly an honor. And I don't know, it's weird when someone says that to you. It's like I almost don't have the words, because like the decision of where you go to school, like many decisions, but it is something like choosing where you go can have such a significant impact on the entire course of your life. And to know that you help someone in a positive way and that they in turn are trying to do the exact same for other people, I'm just like, I don't know, it couldn't, like, that means so much. But yeah, it is way past my bedtime, and I said I didn't sleep well, so my bed is covered in my stuff. I am going to go get a McFlurry I have from, I got a McFlurry a couple days ago, and I'm gonna eat the bottom of it. I'm gonna finish this episode of Gossip Girl. I just have a rerun on, and I'm going to bed.
Sorry I wasted your time. There he is. Oh, sticking it down. Well, hey, let's see what fresh starts.
I'm happy you're here. I'm great.
Me too.
Thank you for joining me on this vlog. This is the first time I have filmed in, I think, a year. And I just wanted to share something to be in a space where I feel most free to be myself. If you enjoyed this, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna do more. I don't know what or when, but I'm just here to be me. Thank you for being here. I'll see you next time. Bye.